how do you share your handwriting when you are performing and screen record on the iPad? Let's get started. So what you need to do at first is make sure that you have the screen recording set up properly, like that the toggle is there in the control center so you can start anytime you want. But then in order to capture the handwriting, you need to use some sort of software for it. The built-in solution of using the Apple Notes is good enough for a lot of cases, as you can just have a blank canvas right there, and ideally you could use Apple Pencil, but if not, you can also use your finger to draw on the screen, change the colors, thickness, and different pen styles, and this all will be captured in your screen recording. So make sure that the recording is running, and after you're done, you can click on the button right there, stop it, and it will be saved into your library. So usually it works fine. You just have to have in mind what exactly you want to do, right? If you also want to share some kind of different software, or a lot of people share their keynote presentations there as well, you can use the Apple Pencil to annotate with your handwriting. So plenty of options. Depends on what exactly you want to show or what exactly you want to teach or capture in the screen recording. So these are some of the options which I have in my mind. If you have any additional questions regarding this, check out the rest of this channel and also subscribe, because I publish a lot of tutorials about the iPads and generally the users devices, right? So make sure you stay tuned and you'll never miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.